So if you saw our previous short where we were cooking an eggplant curry or the brinjal curry, however you prefer it, so we faced a problem. We ran out of gas. So in any case, if you wonder what that is, in our country we cook with a gas cylinder. So if the gas was finished, we had to change our empty cylinder to a filled one. So while the eggplant was halfway through cooking, we had to stop. We don't have any other source of cooking equipments in our home except for our rice cooker. We didn't have much time to go out and buy a gas, so we can just let the eggplant half cooked. So we decided to continue the cooking with our rice cooker. And then our next problem has occurred. We have already cooked the rice and it is there on the rice cooker's pot. So at first we decided to put the cooked rice into another bowl and wash this one and use it to cook the eggplant, but it seemed unnecessarily too much work. So we checked for another pot that might fit into the cooker, and luckily my mom found a pot that we can manage to make it happen. So this is that pot or the bowl. We hadn't used it for so long, so we had to deep clean it before we use it. It didn't perfectly fit, but it worked. We put our half-cooked eggplant on the pot and kept it in the rice cooker. Don't get us wrong, my mom knew the safety precautions and it wasn't too dangerous to use it this way, her experience talking. So we went with it. We kept our rice cooker on our refrigerator. It was too tall to cook a curry unlike the rice, so we placed it on a table. Here it looked so perfect and safe. And it perfectly started to cook. Then we cut 2 tomatoes and some curry leaves. My mom used a cloth to hold the bowl from not misplacing it without getting electrocuted, and for more safety, she used this wooden spoon. Then we added the tomatoes. Then we took the coconut milk powder and put some hot water, and you should smell it. It was deliciously delighting. And then we added the coconut milk to the curry. Then we added the curry leaves. So here is the final result of our brinjal curry or the eggplant curry. So we can definitely make anything happen if we simply didn't give up. It might be such a simple thing as a curry renovation or reaching a big dream goal, right? So remember that lesson, and thank you so much for watching. Let's meet with another cooking session.